Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to terminate your account in SiteGround. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your browser and of course I will need you to go to the URL and search for SiteGround. From over here guys, you see this platform. This is a platform that gives you like a bunch of options from hosting for web hosting, WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, cloud hosting, and resale hosting. There's some technology they can get from technology data center, and here there's some information about them. Now, how we can actually terminate your account after you bought something or something like that. So here, if we click, you can talk with them, so sales chat or call us or log in for support. So in order for you to talk with support, all you need to do is simply log into your account. So how to get an account, you'll have to actually buy something, as I said before. Now let's say that you don't have an account and you want to terminate, like you lost your account or something like that, and you want to terminate that account without logging in. That's simple guys. So I will show you here the steps how you can do it. You can go to SiteGround support, and from here don't click on the first one but go to the second one. Now as you can see here guys, they will show you everything about how you can delete an account, something like that. So here when you first open the support page, it will be looking something around this. So what you have to do is simply go to here and read whatever needed you need. So for example, for us here, we will need to actually delete our account. So what we're gonna do is click on go to chat or call them, so you can choose whatever you'd like from these options. And I highly suggest you guys to really go to chat, because in chat you can just type whatever you'd like in details. So here guys, what you'll have to do, simply here you will type that I want to terminate my account or delete my account, and here you just have to put some information about your account, like which domains you have bought, which account you have, your email, etc. Then click on confirm, and after like couple like hours, they will answer you and your account shall be terminated after they confirm with it, they confirm it with you. So guys, that's what it is today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.